Hi, I am Iain Hoey, the editor of International Fire and Safety Journal. I'm here today at the NEC in Birmingham for the Fire and Safety Event 2025. I'm here to speak to Stephen Marsh, Head of Sales at Cygnus Systems. So Stephen, it's been 2 years since the EN54 certification. What has changed for Cygnus and for your customers?
Yeah, so 2 years ago, we came to market with what is a revolutionary way to do wireless with no translators and boosters, 100% truly wireless. So what's changed is the speed of installation, the ease of installation, and just the accessibility of the product to make our customers' lives easier.
So how do wireless mesh systems function, and what is the benefits of them over wired systems?
Yeah, so wireless mesh, in its simplest form, means that each of the devices can connect to either another device or the panel. So when it connects to the panel, it's got a single path and it self-forms and self-heals. When it's connecting to another device, it also goes on a redundant path, so you've got 100% availability of those devices at all times. So it works in the same way as a wired system, but we have the ease of removing all those wires and aiding that installation process.
So you've added some new accessories to SmartNet. What's new and how do they enhance the user experience?
Yeah, so a few things that we've added into what we call our Cygnus accessories range. So we've got a portable programming unit, a PPU. So that means devices can be updated remotely, so you don't have to physically get to them. So you've got areas that are difficult to access, maybe in a flat or they're at high level. We can put firmware updates to them, we can change the settings on them without actually connecting directly to them. We've also got a mesh analyzer, which allows you to kind of see the virtual wires, and it's like a graphical display of what the network's doing at any time. And then we've got a survey kit, and lastly, we've brought out Cygnus Alert, which is a notification and monitoring system. So that allows both our installers and end users to be able to see real-time what's going on that system, respond to events, fires, faults, whatever it might be, and get all the information from the system regardless of where they are in the world.
In which sectors and project types is the SmartNet proving to be the most effective?
Yeah, so we can fit into a wide range of environments. So it could be a traditional commercial, but where we've seen a lot of success in the last couple of years is in high-rise, waiting watch, schools, those kind of verticals, government buildings, but also listed buildings. So anywhere where it's difficult to access is where people tend to use us, but actually the speed of that installation you can use wherever you would use a wired system.
What are installers and specifiers saying about the SmartNet system?
Yeah, so a lot of them are very positive about it. I think with anything that is new to a market, there's always a little bit of initial hesitance because no one really likes change. I think that's really what we are trying to do within the industry, is bring that change to the industry, a new way of doing wireless. So once they've kind of overcome that reticence, they're really positive about the advantages it can bring to them because of the labour savings it can make for them, and it can mean that they can deploy their labour and their resource more effectively and more efficiently.
And finally, looking ahead, what are some of the key areas of focus for research and development at Cygnus?
Yeah, well, look, we're not standing still. So in the last 2 years, also we brought the product out itself, we brought all those Cygnus accessories out, but then we want to keep developing that system. So whilst I can't go into the specifics, we're not going to stand still, and we're going to stay at the forefront of the industry.
But look forward to hearing what you guys have coming next. Thank you, Stephen. It's been such a pleasure to talk to you. And
thank you.
Have a good rest of your show.
Well done.